into math, lesson 17.2. Represent division of decimals by whole numbers. I can use a concrete or visual model to divide a decimal by a whole number. Nicole and her 5 friends can buy bottles of lemonade individually, or they can buy a 6-pack together. How much does each person save on the price of a bottle of lemonade if they buy the 6-pack? Justify your answer. Okay, so if they buy a bottle and just each of them buy one bottle, it would be what? $1, right? Or $6 total for all 6 of them. Okay, but the 6-pack clearly has a better deal, right? Okay, which is $4.80. So how much are they going to save overall if they buy the 6-pack? $1.20 is what they're going to save for the total amount, right? But how much would each one of them save? So basically, we're going to use our flats, our longs, and our skinnies to figure that out. So I would originally start with how many flats? What's in the one spot? 4, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. How many longs would I have? 8. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So how many friends do I have? 6. So I'm going to draw 6 circles. Okay, do I have enough flats to go for every friend? No. So I am going to have to convert what? All of my flats into longs, right? So how many longs is that? 40, right? Okay, so let's do this. So cross those out, and we're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, and then I need 2 more to finish out, right? Okay, so now how many longs do I have? Guess how many longs do I have? I used 2 of the 8, so how many? I have 6, right? So then can I put another one in each of those? Yes, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then did that get rid of everything I had up here? Yes, okay. So individually, each friend would spend, do I have any flats in those circles? No, so 0, decimal. How many longs do I have in each one of those circles? 8. Okay, so I have 8 longs. And then do I have any small cubes? No. So individually, instead of spending $1, each person could spend what? 80 cents. Okay, so each lemonade if they would buy the pack and split it up amongst the 6 friends, would cost them 80 cents. How much would they save for each of them? So each would save what? 20 cents, right? All right, build understanding. One buys trail mix from the bulk bin and divides the trail mix evenly among herself and 3 friends. How many pounds of trail mix does each person get? Use base 10 blocks to show how much each person gets. Remember that a flat represents 1, a long represents 1/10, and a small cube represents 100. Okay, so there's herself and 3 friends, right? And then this is our total amount of trail mix that they're going to have. And then how many pounds of trail mix does each person get? So how many flats do I need to represent the 5 and 6 cents? So 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many longs? 6. And then how many small cubes? We don't need any because we don't have any hundredths, right? friends are there total? 4. 4. So we need to draw how many circles? 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Do I have enough flats to go into every one of those? Yes. I have 5, and I have how many circles? 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So I used 4 of those. Now, I have one more flat. Do I have enough of that to go in every circle? No. So now I need to cross that out and make how many more longs? 10. Okay. So how many longs do I have now? 16. Do I have enough longs to go evenly into there? Yes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So did I use all of those? Yes. So I can circle them and mark them off. So how many is in each one of those circles? Do I have a flat? Yes. So 1 decimal. How many longs?
1.4.
So 1 4/10. Do I have any small cubes? No. So every one of these equals 1 4/10. And then of course if I add them all together, I should get 5 6/10. So how do you use base 10 blocks to represent 5 6/10? So basically we drew what? 5 flats and so 5 flats and 6 longs. Describe how you divided 5 6/10 into 4 equal groups. So basically we drew what? 4 circles. So first of all, we drew 5 flats and 6 longs, and then we drew 4 circles, right, to represent each person. Okay. And then we took and we regrouped if we needed to, right? Okay, so we regrouped. The flats could go in there 4 times, right? But we had 1 extra flat, so we had to regroup it into 10 more, and then we had a total of 16 longs, and then we dispersed those out, right? Okay, so how many pounds of trail mix does each person get?
1 1/4 pound.
1 1/4 pound. Number 2, Paul buys a package of 8 bouncy balls. How much does each ball weigh? So there's 8, and then the total weight is 7 3/36 of an ounce. How much does each ball weigh? So how many flats do I need to draw, guys? Nope. 7. Okay. How many longs? How many small cubes? How many circles? So what are we dividing? 8. Okay. Now I have 7 flats. Do I have enough flats to go in every single circle? No, I do not. So basically those flats are going to have to become what?
70.
So 70 longs because there's 10 flats or 10 longs in each flat, right? Okay, so here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64. Okay, do I only have 6 more to get to 70. Do I have enough? No. So let's do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's go ahead and put those there. Okay, so we use all the flats. Now, how many longs do I have left? 9. So can I go ahead and do that again? Yep, so I'm going to circle all but one of them, mark them off, and put one more in each spot. Okay, so then now I only have one long left. Do I have enough to go in each circle? No. So now we're gonna mark off this long and make it into what? 10 small cubes, right? Now how many small cubes do I have? 16, right? So I'm going to put 2 small cubes in each group. Okay, so do I have any flats in each circle? No, so I would put a 0. So 0, decimal, how many longs? 9, right? And how many small cubes? 2. Okay, so in each one of those groups, I have 9,200, right? Okay, so how did we represent the total? Wait, we put how many flats? 7 flats. How many longs? 3 longs. And 6 small cubes. Okay, how did you divide the 7 ones? So what did we do with the 7 ones? We broke them into 70 longs, right? Okay, or 70 tenths. How did you divide the tenths and hundredths? So then we eventually had to take one of the tenths and make it into 10 hundredths, right? Or small cube. And then the number that was in each group, we said there were 9 longs in each group and 2 small cubes in each group. So how much does each fall in?
9,200 ounces.
9,200 of an ounce. All right, check understanding. Solve using a concrete or visual model. Number 1, Carson divides 4 and 2/10 pounds of nuts into 6 equal servings. How much does each serving weigh? So our total weight is what, guys? 4 and 2/10. We want it divided by 6. And then how much does each serving weigh? So how many flats am I going to draw? 4. How many longs? 2. Now remember, if you guys need extra paper, you can get extra paper, but you need to write OOP for on other paper, right? Okay, so that I know you showed your work. How many circles? 6. Okay, do I have enough flats to put in every one of the circles? No, so I'm going to have to convert those flats to what?
40 longs.
To 40 longs. So this is going to be crossed out, and we're going to now have 40. So 40 plus the 2 longs, right? So how many? 42. Okay. So let's go ahead and see if we can get going. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 4, 5, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42. So did I just get rid of every one of those? Yep. So I just got rid of all of that. Okay. So how many flats are in each circle? None. Okay. How many longs are in each circle? 7. And then do I have any small cubes? No. So what is in every one of those circles? 7 tenths. So 7 tenths of a pound. Now we're also going